Recently, we helped a company in the EV infrastructure industry hire multiple engineers from Mexico to support the installation, testing, and troubleshooting of EV charging systems up in the United States. Now, like a lot of companies in fast-growing technical industries, they were really struggling to find engineers locally with the right background in kind of automation and electrical systems. And they'd been spending a huge amount on contract engineers instead, and so they called us looking for alternatives. And what we did is we discussed a plan to expand their team by hiring several Mexican engineers for the same position under the TN Visa program, or otherwise known as the USMCA agreement. Okay, the TN Visa. This is a skilled visa program for Canadian and Mexican workers to work in the United States. I'm working in immigration in the US for about 15 years now, and it's probably the quickest, fastest, and easiest way for sure for US employers to legally employ foreign workers. But what we did is we recognized a lot of employers are daunted by the idea of both finding and then sponsoring foreign workers. I mean, you got a business to run as well. And so that's what we did is we built a model that combines recruitment and immigration into one system. So we have a recruitment company with an office down in Mexico, in Guanajuato, Mexico, 3A Recruiting. And there we identify qualified engineers in Mexico with experience in fields like a lot of mechatronics, a lot of electrical systems, and a lot of industrial automation as well. And then we have a law firm in the United States, 3A Immigration Law, that handle the work authorization so that those engineers can legally join your US engineering team quickly. So instead of you coordinating between a recruiter and an immigration lawyer, we can handle both parts of the process for you. We've got a lot of experience in it. So our recruitment team sources the engineers, our legal team handle the TN work authorization. And then the employer can kind of build out an engineering team, often with multiple qualified hires in a relatively short period of time. There's technicians are eligible for this program as well, the 2-year degree in Mexico for engineering technicians. Now, for many organizations, this approach can also create really significant cost advantages compared to relying upon contract engineers for sure, because we all know that they can be extremely valuable during your busy periods, but they're really expensive and they can leave at any time. So our alternative is hiring engineers through the TN Visa program. They allow you to bring in full-time engineers and technicians at sustainable salaries while still accessing highly specialized technical skills. And the truth is that Mexico produces an extremely large number of engineers each year, particularly in fields like electrical engineering, a lot of automation, a lot of mechatronics as well. And it makes it a strong talent pool for industries like EV infrastructure, manufacturing, a lot of aviation programs use the TN Visa, robotics, a lot of advanced technology. So for companies willing to think strategically about hiring, this can be a really practical way to build out an engineering team when local talent is difficult to find. So if your company is struggling to find engineers, we are happy to share how this model works. Give us a call.